Hello, hello, welcome. It's good stretching to release any tension and stiffness in your lower back and do some simple but very effective exercise to strengthen your core as well. Okay, we're ready to start. Going to start on your floor. Hands with your shoulders width apart, knees with your hips, feet nice and flat, and start first. Rock your hips side to side. Head nice and high in line with your spine. Abdominal muscles engaged, so your lower back is nice and flat. Control your breaths. Inhale, slowly exhale. And now, let's rock front and back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now, take those under, arch your back, look forward or up. Slowly exhale. Tuck your pelvis under to stretch lower back, head down. Inhale. And slowly exhale. With your own breaths. Deep breath in. And slowly out. And a few more. Inhale. And exhale. And now let's move to child pose. Stay with your chest and head high, resting on your elbows now. And let's rock side to side. Back to center, lift your feet, and let's move side to side, looking down, or you can look back to see your feet. Back to center now. Go to down that position, march the spot. Stretch your legs, lower back, your arms, chest. And slowly on your four. Right leg forward, 90 degrees underneath. Right arm behind. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Bend forward to stretch right hip, leg, and your lower back. Inhale. And exhale. And 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Left leg, left arm behind. Inhale. Exhale to squeeze your shoulder blades. Pull your shoulders back. Inhale and exhale. And last 2. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Slowly stand up, legs nice and wide. Squeezing glutes, engaging abs. Inhale. Slowly exhale to your left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Now to your right. Your left arm straight, right shoulder relaxed. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Bring your arms. And now left and right side. Inhale, center. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Left and right. And relax. Lift your arms. Slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. One more. Okay, relax your shoulders, feet together. Now left knee on the floor, hands together. Inhale. Slowly exhale to your right. Holding your position as upright as you can. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, left leg forward. Now to your left side. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. Right leg straight to your side. Left hand on your hip. Right arm up. Inhale. As you exhale to your left. Build the strength in your core, your obliques. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax now your left to your right. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, left leg. First left arm up, right on your hip. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And two more. Okay, now on the side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one. And relax. Okay, again on your left knee. Right leg forward. Left arm front of you. And you're trying to twist to your left side. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Make sure you position still, as upright as you can. As you twist, going to feel stretch your inner thigh, right leg. Could be hip as well. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. And relax. Okay. On your right knee. Your right arm front of you. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And last one. And relax. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale. Okay. Thank you. And thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it. Feeling more loose in your lower back. So, see you for now. Bye, guys.